Ever wondered what the most common Tesla car repairs and issues are? Well, today we're diving into this very topic. Now, while Teslas might be the epitome of automotive innovation, they are not immune to certain problems. Firstly, we have the battery and charging-related issues. These can range from a decreased range to more severe problems like battery degradation. But don't worry, you can prevent these issues by avoiding extreme temperatures, using the correct charging method, and keeping your battery software updated. Next up, we have software and firmware glitches. These can result in a multitude of problems like malfunctions in the infotainment system, autopilot issues, and even battery problems. Luckily, Tesla is continuously releasing software updates to fix these glitches and enhance performance. Therefore, always ensure your car's software is up to date. Then there's the suspension and air suspension system. While they provide a smoother ride, they can be prone to leaks causing the car to sag or ride unevenly. If you suspect a problem with your air suspension, don't hesitate to get it checked out by a qualified technician. Now, let's talk about the finicky Tesla door handles and window regulators. They can sometimes stick or fail to open completely, and window regulators can cause windows to go down or up slowly or erratically. There are also other issues like excessive noise, water leaks, and paint and body panel defects that you should be aware of. But remember, Tesla is always on top of these issues, constantly updating its vehicles to enhance performance and fix bugs. For example, the software update 2023.42.22 and firmware update 2023.36.13, which have brought in a number of improvements. To avoid these Tesla car repairs, ensure your car's software and firmware are always updated, avoid extreme temperatures, use only Tesla-approved chargers, and get your car serviced regularly. In conclusion, while Tesla car repairs can be expensive, they are preventable. By following the tips discussed today, you can keep your Tesla running smoothly for years to come. Thank you all for joining. Remember, a well-maintained Tesla is a happy Tesla. Until next time, safe driving everyone.